guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys are doing amazing. In this video we are going to learn how to make these 5 basic quilt leaves, and guys, these are amazing and anyone can create it. So without wasting a single second, let's get into today's video. For this first one, you need 3 quilling strips. I'm taking here 3 different green colors. Just take your quilling slot and start rolling it. Once you are done, so secure the ends using glue. And now press it between your fingers like this, and now push it a bit inside like this. Fill it with some glue and keep it aside for some time. Now take a quilling strip, apply some glue on it, and just wrap your strip around this. And yeah, it's done. Now let's move to the second one. For that, you need a quilling strip. Make a tight coil out of it. Loose the coil and apply some glue on the edges. Now give it an eye shape. And now press it between your fingers like this and give it an S shape like this. I have one more. You have to create one more using same method. Now take one strip. I'm taking here light green. Apply some glue on it. Now wrap it around this. And now apply some glue on this strip as well and just attach the second one with it. That's it. This is also done. And now let's move to the third one. For this one as well, you have to make the same S shape that we made before. And guys, if you want to learn some basic shapes of quilling, so I'm giving the link in the description box, so go and check that out too. I have created 5 more, and now just take a strip, apply some glue on one leaf around it. And now apply some glue all around it and start assembling all the leaves. So yeah, it's done. Now let's move to this one, and this is my favorite one. Take a quilling strip, roll it, loose the coil and secure the ends using glue, and just press it between your fingers. Give it a teardrop shape and now curve this teardrop shape like this. I have created 3 more, and now I'm going to show you how to make a teardrop. Just take a strip, make a loose coil, apply some glue and just press it between your fingers. Now take a strip, apply some glue on it and take your teardrop shape and wrap it around it. And now apply some glue all around it, and now start assembling your curved teardrop shape. Yeah, it's done. Now let's move to this one. For that you need two different color strips. Paste them together. Now start rolling strip. Now start making a loop like I am making in the video. Secure it using glue. I have created 4 more, and now just take a quilling strip, apply some glue on it, take one loop shaped leaf and just wrap it around it. Now start assembling all the loop shapes one by one. It is also done. So guys, this is it for today's video. Hope you liked today's tutorial, and if you did, so make sure that you hit the like button, and guys, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you very soon. Until you, take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.